Looking to upgrade your bike with the best forks of 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 5 bicycle forks that deliver the perfect balance of performance, durability, and comfort whether you ride mountain trails, city streets, or sandy beaches. Let's dive in. 5 Best Bicycle Forks. At number 5, Mosso Fork M5 M6 M5 M5E M5 EV M3. The Mosso 2024 Bike Fork Series delivers lightweight, durable, and stylish options for different bike sizes. The M5L model is ideal for 29-inch bikes, made from 7005 aluminum alloy, and weighs 830 grams. It comes in matte and gloss color variations like black red, black gray, and white blue. The M5 model is a versatile choice, compatible with 26, 27.5, and 29-inch bikes. Weighing 798 grams, it features multiple color options, including black-green, black-gray, and white-red. The M6 model, made in Taiwan, supports all bike sizes and weighs around 800 grams. It offers similar color choices for customization. For 26 and 27.5-inch bikes, the M5 EV model weighs 800 grams and comes in matte black-gray, matte black-red, and white-red. The M3 model, the lightest at 766 grams, is built for 26 and 27.5-inch bikes, featuring a 1:1/8 straight tube and a variety of matte and gloss finish. Perfect for riders seeking a light, durable, and stylish upgrade. At number 4, Hassns MTB Fork Rigid Bicycle Fork. The Hassns Bike Fork Series offers lightweight, durable, and versatile options for different riding needs. The M5 EV model, made from 6061 aluminum alloy, weighs just 825 grams and supports disc and V-brakes. It features a 28.6 mm tube diameter and is compatible with 26, 27.5-inch wheels. The M6 model, constructed from 7005 aluminum alloy, has a 700 mm fork length, 250 mm head tube, and 100 mm fork opening. It fits 26, 27.5, 29-inch bikes with a 28.6 mm or 30 mm head tube diameter. The MD5 model weighs approximately 865 grams and features a 250 mm vertical tube, 100 mm front opening, and 450 mm shoulder length. Designed for quick release, it is made of 6061 aluminum alloy and supports 26, 27.5, 29-inch bikes. A perfect blend of strength, lightweight construction, and compatibility, making them ideal for various riding conditions. At number 3, Bucklos MTB Fork 2026-inch. This Bucklos Fat Tire Air Suspension Fork is designed for 20 inches by 4.0 and 26 inches by 4.0 fat tire bikes, including snow bikes, beach bikes, and e-bikes. Ensure compatibility by checking your model's crown lockout, 9mm QR axle, and disc brake setup before ordering. Made from lightweight magnesium and aluminum alloy, the 20-inch version weighs just 2,645 grams, while the 26-inch version is only 2,745 grams, keeping your ride fast and effortless. With manual ABS adjustment, you can customize the fork's hardness and softness to match different terrains. Enjoy smooth 180mm travel on double shoulder forks and 140mm travel on single shoulder models, ensuring maximum comfort on snow, sand, or rough trails. Bucklos is a trusted brand with over 1 million satisfied riders worldwide, delivering top-quality performance and reliability. At number 2, Suntour Epicson Bike Fork. This versatile suspension fork is designed for 26, 27.5, and 29 inches bikes, offering both manual and remote control options with straight or tapered steerer tubes for compatibility. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it comes in black by default, with white available upon request. Check inventory before purchasing. With 100mm, 120mm, and 140mm travel options, it ensures smooth performance on any terrain, while the 32mm stroke pipe enhances strength and reliability over the previous 30mm version. Supporting 160mm to 203mm disc brakes, it provides secure stopping power for aggressive rides. The 255mm vertical pipe length and 28.6mm diameter ensure a sturdy and precise fit. At number 1, Bolany Mountain Bike Fork 29-inch bike. The Bolany suspension fork is designed for customized performance, allowing adjustments to the steerer tube, length, and travel to match your riding needs. With a 120mm cushioning stroke, it provides strong shock absorption for a smoother ride, reducing vibration and protecting your wrists on rough terrain. Built with aluminum and magnesium alloys, it features a lightweight yet durable design. The Teflon slip-on coating minimizes friction, while the Fox-inspired Casimir coating enhances hardness and longevity. The adjustable air pressure system lets you fine-tune the fork's softness or stiffness, lower pressure for bumpy trails, higher pressure for smooth roads. Plus, it's disc brake compatible, supporting 160mm to 203mm rotors with a converter, perfect for XC and AM riders.